Hey guys!
What's up? Welcome back to Travel and Fun. So today's video is not a travel video, neither a very fun video, but this is actually very important for self-care and your health, especially with the raging COVID-19 pandemic that is still not out of the world. Somehow it has not left us since it's almost like now 2 years now, but still this coronavirus has not decided to leave us in peace. So especially in Europe, it's like raging in countries like Germany, France, Austria, and other countries. It's raging like something. So it's very necessary that we keep tested ourselves. In Denmark here there are cases, but it's not as much as in Germany. Of course, the population of Germany is huge, so the cases there are high, and it's especially among the unvaccinated people that it's spreading now. So my first and foremost suggestion or advice to all of you would be to get vaccinated as soon as possible. I have no idea to why people are not ready to get vaccinated. There could be multiple reasons, but we have to trust the health system and the scientists and doctors who were behind finding the cure, not the cure, a kind of medication for this coronavirus. So we have to trust them. Yeah. So one such very important thing that I think it's in most of the countries now. The self tests are promoted now, so you don't have to actually go to a clinic and get tested. That is required if you need some official reports and all for traveling and stuff. But if that is not required, you can do this kind of self test. These are not as efficient as the PCR test that we do, the RT-PCR that we call, but they can give you a preliminary analysis and they can tell you that if you have or if you don't have COVID.
Especially those who are going to office, they can test it
Yes.
at least weekly once so that you know you're safe.
Yes, exactly. So in my company, actually, they recommend that we test at least once a week with these self-test kits. So these kits, they are given from my company. So one kit has like four samples, 4 pieces in them, and we can test. So we can test once a week. But you can also get it in medical stores or apotheques that we call here. So it's not very expensive there. So these are the self-test kits. So what you see here, this is the self-test kit here. So this is from Abbott, and it's the Panbio COVID-19 antigen self-test kit. Yeah, so it's an antigen test, it's not PCR. So I have bought down all the components or whatever stuff is there inside this kit. So now in this kit there are like 4 pieces, but I have bought down all this stuff down here. So this actually has a manual. Please go through the manual if you can read it. Unfortunately, this is in Danish here, so I cannot go through this. But it actually has another set of instructions which tells you how to do the test. So now in this video, what I will describe is how you can do this self-test by yourself. So please get tested once a week if you are a regular person who normally goes out and so on. If otherwise too, it's always good to get self-tested at least once every 2 or 3 weeks, even if you are home. It's good. You do go to supermarkets and all, right? So it's better to be safe and keep others safe. So there are some things here that that I have spread out. So let me just explain the things one by one. So I laid down on my table. So this is the test procedure that we get with this kit. So you can see that the procedure is described here very well, and you will get the result of this test within 15 minutes. And you can see the test interpretation here. So if it's a single line, it's negative. If it's double line, it's positive. And if you see if the single line is a T, then, or if no lines, then the test is invalid. So this is a test procedure. I'll explain you this thing step by step. So these are the things that were inside. This is the plate on which you have to drop the swab liquid, and this is the swab collection. You have to pour this kind of liquid. This should be some kind of solvent into this tube, and then put in the swab into this tube here, break it off, close it with its cap, and then drop drops from these into the plate here, and you will get the result in 15 minutes. So these are the things that are available here. You can see this plate, the tubes, the caps, the swab collection fluid, the swab itself, and a plastic to dispose it off, and the manual. Yeah, so now I'll show you how to do this test. So these are like 4 pieces. I just need one of them, so I'll take one of them. Now since I'm going to the office like 3 days a week, so I think I should do it. Yeah, let's go ahead. So the first step is to fill this extraction tube here with this fluid that comes with it. It looks like this Fevikwik gum that comes for 5 rupees in India. So you just have to swirl it and then pour it in. So let me just open it up. Yeah, and just so I've put it in. I'll just close it now. Now I'll keep this aside. It's time to take the swab, so we'll just pull it off. So here's the swab. Make sure you don't pollute this thing. This is something that goes into your nose. So now, as per the instruction, it says you have to insert this swab into your nose. So this is a nasal swab. So you have to insert this swab into your nose, into both your nostrils 5 times, and then rotate it like 5 times. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then other one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 25. Yeah. So one's clockwise and then one's anti-clockwise. So I go in. I think, and it says it has to go straight into your nose. So let's go in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go to the other nostril.
3, 4, 5.
This is so irritating. Yeah. Now we put this thing here into this. Yeah. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then just it actually has a breaking part here. So now your swab is in. Yeah. So now we have collected the swab, and now we have to put 5 drops of this liquid onto the test plate. You can see this small portion here where we have to put 5 drops. So,
And you have to wait for 15 minutes.
yes, after this you have to wait for 15 minutes. So let's put 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now you have to wait for 15 minutes.
Yeah. So guys, you can see that it's negative. So as per the test procedure here, so if you have one line on C, it's negative. So that's one line on C, and it's negative. So I'm happy.
I'm also happy.
Super. So parallelly, we also did Anu's test, and hers is also coming up with the same result almost. So it's one line on C. That's great. Super. So guys, now you know how to do the self-test antigen test
Yeah.
for COVID-19, and this is actually very good, so that you keep yourself and others safe within your home. Also, it's very good if you have kids and all. Please make sure you do this, because it's
Since
very
the cases are increasing, those who are going to office and those who are going out, they
Yeah.
can do it at home. There's no problem in this. You don't have to go and stand in queue, stand in line,
Exactly.
and don't risk yourself when you're being exposed. So
Yes.
this is a good way.
Yes, and one thing is that I know that in India the cases are very less now. Like when we came from
It was
India
so
to Denmark,
high.
it was around 4 lakh cases a day, and now it's so much, even less than 10,000 cases a day. Even Germany stands at around 50,000, more than 50,000 cases a day today. So, but we have to be cautious even in India. Please be cautious and stay safe. Continue wearing masks and all. It's actually very good that in India they haven't abolished the rule that you have to wear masks in public, and it's really good. Many European countries have abolished that, and I think and this not vaccinating oneself is also one big problem. But somehow I think India is a little bit out of it. But yes, this was about COVID-19 self-test, which is an antigen test. Please get these kits and do it yourself and keep everyone safe. So that's it for this short video. We hope you like this video, and please share it with everyone.
Yeah.
We don't ask you to subscribe due to this video, but please share it with everyone so that if someone doesn't know how to do it, or someone is unaware of these things, so that they will come across this and they will also do this self-test. Yeah. So
And
please
if you
share it.
guys like our content, then please do subscribe. There's no problem in subscribing.
Absolutely. So stay safe, stay happy, and keep everyone else safe. That's what we have to say. So till our next video.
It's bye from us.
Bye bye.
Bye.